Hey guys, welcome back to my another YouTube video. In this video, I am going to be showing you how to delete thumbnails from your Android device. Although thumbnails make your media to load more quicker because it is the representation and organization of your actual media, but they are way more horrible. Now let me open my WhatsApp and give you an example of a thumbnail. Now these are my pictures that I have on my device right now. Now this is one. So it actually duplicates all your pictures. This is another one. This is another one again. You might be having the same problem, but let's begin to fix this horrible thumbnail. Now, all you need to do now is to open Play Store and download Google Gallery, which is Google Gallery. So now this is it. I have already downloaded mine. All you have to do is now just to click on open and go to folders, and this is the thumbnails folder. Now just select all and delete. This is moving 38 items to trash. Now you can go to your trash folder and just select everything. Yes, delete. Now we've solved the problem. This is just it. It's not much. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.